Hey, let me show you what to do if the phone icon is not showing on the home screen in the Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, you have to search over here in the application drawer, but if you cannot find it, you can also go into the Samsung folder or basically any other folder. Sometimes you can just mouse click and just move it into the folder. And then this is the reason why it could be hidden. But you can also go for the search and input phone phrase. Now you should find it in the search apps. But if you still cannot find it, you have to open System Settings. Now you have to go for the home screen and go into the Hide Apps on the home and the apps screens. Now just make sure that the phone icon is not here, because if it is hidden, then this is quite obvious why you cannot find it, right? So unhide this, and now you have to just go for this icon. Just click and hold it and click to add to the home screen. Now you can click and hold it, drag and put just over here.